In this safety video, we will discuss an assured equipment grounding conductor program. This ensures the safety of employees using temporary power cords. The program is designed to prevent shocks or electrocution by ensuring the ground wire is electrically continuous from the equipment being used to the source. Whether one is involved in designing, installing, or maintaining an electrical system, protection must be of primary concern. This includes not only safeguarding equipment and facilities from damage or improper operation but also includes the safety of personnel who may be exposed to the hazards inherent with any electrical installation. The Assured Equipment Grounding Conductor program covers all cord sets, receptacles that are not a part of the permanent wiring of the building or structure, and equipment connected by cord and plug which are available for use or used by employees. Conductors used as ground conductors or equipment grounding conductors must be identifiable and distinguishable from all other conductors. All 120-volt, single-phase 15 and 20 ampere receptacle outlets on construction sites, which are not a part of the permanent wiring of the building or structure, and which are in use by employees, must have approved ground fault circuit interrupters for personnel protection. Receptacles on a 2-wire, single-phase portable, or vehicle-mounted generator rated not more than 5 kilowatts, where the circuit conductors of the generator are insulated from the generator frame and all other grounded surfaces, need not be protected with ground fault circuit interrupters. Each cord set, attachment cap, plug and receptacle of cord sets, and any equipment connected by cord and plug, except cord sets and receptacles which are fixed and not exposed to damage, must be visually inspected before each day's use for external defects, such as deformed or missing pins or insulation damage, and for indications of possible internal damage. All equipment grounding conductors must be tested for continuity and be electrically continuous. Each receptacle and attachment cap or plug must be tested for correct attachment of the equipment grounding conductor. The equipment grounding conductor must be connected to its proper terminal. All required tests must be performed before first use, before equipment is returned to service following any repairs, before equipment is used after any incident which can be reasonably suspected to have caused damage, at intervals not to exceed 3 months, except that cord sets and receptacles which are fixed and not exposed to damage shall be tested at intervals not exceeding 6 months. All tests conducted must be recorded, identifying each receptacle, cord set, and cord and plug-connected equipment that passed the test. The record must indicate the last date it was tested or the interval for which it was tested. This record must be kept by means of logs and be maintained until replaced by a more current record. The record must be made available on the job site for inspection by the OSHA Assistant Secretary and any affected employee. Thanks for watching another CMS safety video. Please like and subscribe for updates.